Hey guys, welcome back to Modern Conscious Beauty channel, and for today's video we will be talking about the essential oils, and I'm really excited about this. It's because kay V&M Naturals ko unang na-try ang essential oils way back 2018 when they launched these products, and we have here 9 essential oils that I will be sharing with you guys. So if you're interested to know more about it, then please continue watching. So first, let's describe essential oils. These are forms of aromatherapy, and alam ko na kung gumagamit kayo nito, it's either you diffuse it, you use it with a carrier oil, or actually you apply it on your skin. So depende naman yan. But these essential oils are pure from V&M Naturals, and what I love about this na nalaman ko when I started using it, that it's extracted from a certain plant. So iba-iba yung meron tayo today. Like let's say we have here Ylang, so ito nanggaling siya sa Ylang plant. We also have Lavender, which is my favorite, na nanggaling din siya sa lavender plant. So ganun siya na e-extract, and each of these products have its unique characteristics and essences. So kumbaga may sarili-sarili silang gamit, or kung gusto mong gamitin to for the face, to diffuse it, like you use it for your home. So now we will go through it one by one so you guys would know which one to get. So as for me, I'll just be sharing my experience when I tried these way back 2018 nung nilaunch nga siya, na first time ko siyang gamitin ever. I researched about it, and you can mix it with a carrier oil. So you can use it like with argan oil na meron din si V&M, or kung anumang oil kayo comfortable gamitin, and then you put it here. You can do your own blend sa roller ball. Ganyan yung itsura niya, and ever since I got to know about it, I have been obsessed. Lagi ko siyang gamit, lagi ko siyang dala, and natutuwa ako because you can mix and match whatever you're comfortable with, or kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mong gamitin for everyday. So as for me, I used it for my anxiety kasi sobrang, alam mo yung pag nagpapanik ka, may something na gusto kang amuyin to keep you calm, and this one really worked for me. So for that, I used lavender. Then we have here Ylang, and then frankincense, which is my favorite. So I mixed these 3 oils, and then mixed it with argan oil. So kumbaga, pwede kang maglagay, let's say this is 10, hindi ko maalala actually, sorry, kung 5 ml or 10 ml to. And then you just put around 4 to 5 drops, imimix mo lang siya, and then you can use it as your blend for everyday. So ilagay mo siya dito sa temples, sa ilong, or sa likod, or kung saan man, para lang pampakalma siya. So this one is really effective for me. So you can try out that method. And then you can also try diffusing. Ako everyday ganun yon, yung paggamit siya sa diffuser. So you usually just put around 5 to 6 drops, or depende sa laki ng diffuser ninyo. But for me, what I love about these oils kay V&M Naturals, it's natural talaga. Kumbaga, it's pure. And yung iba kasi, kumbaga parang ano man tawag doon, synthetic ata sila. So, yung pure na essence nung plant or nung oil. So, meron na yun halo na ibang chemicals, or meron na siyang halong water. So, hindi siya ganun ka-effective for me. But this one is really effective because it's pure, and talagang yung scent niya naaamoy mo all throughout your home or your room. And aside from that, nalaman ko din that you can use it topically, like let's say tea tree. Actually, ito yung nakikita ko na oil before pa. Like you apply it sa mga pimples, ganyan. But, syempre, you have to do a patch test first kasi baka yung iba allergic or hindi kayo sure. So, you can consult your doctor first kasi hindi naman pwedeng i-apply mo siya agad. But for me, I use my tea tree because it's antibacterial. You can also use it sa mga shampoo or mga body wash niyo. Ako, I use this kaya nilalagay ko siya sa banyo kasi hinahalo ko siya. It's either with my shampoo or conditioner ni V&M Naturals. So that one is for tea tree kasi aside from that, you can use it yun sa pimples nga or breakout. It also purifies or cleanses the air, but make sure that you don't use this around dogs kasi nakita ko or na-research ko na hindi siya pwede for animals. And ayun na nga, i-check nyo na lang online kung ano yung mga essential oils na pwede or hindi kasi just to make sure and be safe if you have animals, or yun nga, yung sa mga children, baka may iba doon na bawal. But yun yung na-research ko, kaya I use this na I make sure na yung dogs ko ay wala dito sa aking room. And what I love tea tree as well is that it has a cooling effect na nakaka-relax talaga ng muscles. So this one, you can apply it sa inyong mga lotions or mga body wash for everyday. And then next is bergamot. Actually, hindi ko mahanap kung nasan yun. Baka nasa baba. Bergamot, bergamo. Depende kung ano nyo na yung gusto nyo siyang basahin. But what I love about that, bitter daw yung oil niya. Yun yung description sa kanya. But that one is really perfect if you're feeling like anxious or nervous. Sobrang nakakapangkalma siya. Kaya ginagamit ko siya sa aking diffuser. And I just love the scent as well. If I mix it with frankincense and lavender, mas nagkakaroon siya ng calming effect. And aside from that, it also minimizes marks and lessens yung skin irritation. So you can use that oil if you want to see those effects. And then next is my favorite, as in isa sa mga favorite ko to kahit sa tea. So ito sa essential oils is chamomile or chamomile. This one is perfect to really calm the nerves. As in ito yung isa sa mga essential oils na hindi pwedeng wala ako aside from lavender because it's really effective for me as well. And it has that floral scent that I really love. This is a natural mood booster, and aside from its soothing ability, it also improves the skin conditions and relieves yung mga muscle tension. So ito madami siya talagang gamit, but basically I would recommend it if you really want to calm your nerves. And then next is Eucalyptus. Alam nyo na to kasi sa candy pa lang kinakain na natin, and this one is also really refreshing. Aside from it's also antibacterial, anti-acne, madami ding benefits si Eucalyptus. This is an oil that also freshens up the air and makes sure na nawawala yung odor. And it also helps detoxify and purify the skin. Aside from that, it also helps tone the hair and gives you a soothing experience if you use it sa body nyo, like for massages. This one is great as well. And then next is Frankincense. This one is the king of all oils, and first time ko siyang magamit with V&M Naturals. Aside from it really induces sleep, it makes you feel relaxed. Kaya nga sobrang perfect pagka minix mo siya with lavender and chamomile kasi talagang grabing effect niya. As in, you will really get better sleep. Kasi ito yung ginagamit ko noon nung grabe yung insomnia ko. And it just really works. So, aside from using it for sleep, kasi doon ko talaga nakita yung effectivity niya. Sabi nila, sobrang okay din siya to mix it with like your masks, yung mga moisturizer. Kasi sobrang ganda daw nito. It really reduces yung dark spots mo sa face, like yung acne marks. And it also makes you look glowing. Kaya sabi ni Jamie, the founder of V&M, you can also mix this with your sake mask. Kasi talagang okay siya for the acne or yung mga marks sa face. And then next is lavender. Ito, kahit hindi ko na siya i-explain, alam naman na natin because we make sure that we have anything na scented na lavender because that really relaxes us or makes us sure that we get the right amount of sleep. Kasi talagang mapapatulog ka talaga ng bongga ni lavender, and you can use this aside from applying it topically. Pwede dito sa wrist ninyo, sa likod, nung sa ears, or sa paa daw, pwede din. Actually, nagamit ko siya and makakatulog ka kaagad. But this one, I love diffusing it every night before I go to bed. This one just really naturally calms and relaxes me. Kaya I really love this product. Aside from sleep, this one also fights aging, it reduces acne, and also makes your skin glowing. And then next is orange essential oil. First time ko itong magamit with V&M Naturals. And basically, it's a mood booster because of its citrus scent. And gustong-gusto ko siya kasi na-uplift talaga agad yung mood ko when I diffuse this product. And aside from that, ginagamit din siya sa skin to make sure that it's moisturized and mas malesen yung acne ninyo. So if you want to try this out, this one is really affordable. I think it's less than 300 pesos yung essential oil na to. Pero sobrang worth it niya kasi talagang magagamit mo siya for every day. And then next is one of my favorites as well na nabanggit ko na sa inyo is this Ylang essential oil. This one has a floral scent as well. And aside from its amazing effects sa anxiety or anxious feelings, this one is just really okay to blend with frankincense and lavender because it has the calming properties that drives the stress away and relaxes your nerves. Aside from that, this one also makes sure that it softens and moisturizes your skin and also makes sure na hindi magiging oily yung skin ninyo. So if you want to have that positive outlook experience, make sure to try this one out because it has a rich, sweet, and flowery scent. And then next is lemongrass. First time ko din to matry. And nakikita ko siya usually sa mga tonics because it's very natural sa balat natin to relieve yung tension. And also, you can mix it with other products. So aside from its muscle relaxing abilities, this also deodorizes the skin and tones it. So for its uses, we have 3. Sa topical naman, you can use it around 1 to 2 drops lang kasi pure siya. So medyo matapang yon sa inyong mga skincare. And then next naman, for the diffuser, you can use it around 4 to 6 drops. It depends again kung gaano kalaki yung kaya ng diffuser nyo na magamit. And then for the facial toner, you can use 3 drops of these sa 100 ml nyo na toner. So again guys, thank you so much for listening throughout this video. If you want to purchase these from V&M Naturals, please do kasi naka-sale sila ngayon and they have 9 scents to choose from. But then again, nasabi ko na yung recommendations ko sa inyo, but it also depends on your liking, yung preference nyo, or yung needs nyo. But I really recommend these if you're a newbie sa essential oils kasi madali lang siyang gamitin and it's really effective. So that is it guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you have any other suggestions, please let us know in the comment section down below and we will see you on our next videos. Bye!